Boyee's Oxide solid-state electrolyte equipment is being delivered continuously at scale, with complete line systems shipped in parallel. Since the beginning of this year, Boyee has been accelerating its efforts, helping multiple companies establish Oxide solid-state electrolyte mass production lines and achieve stable large-scale output. At present, continuous batch delivery of Oxide solid-state electrolyte equipment, synchronized shipment of complete production line systems, multiple in-house developed models with leading performance, full coverage from grinding and dispersion to turnkey line integration. With proven engineering capabilities, Boyee enables customers to secure early mover advantages in the solid-state battery market. We focus on customer needs and deliver full integrated one-stop solution from process design and core equipment supply to full line integration, as well as plant construction support, on-site installation and commissioning, and production ramp-up, making manufacturing more efficient, stable, and scalable.